What's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to replace some broken latches on your Igloo cooler. This is pretty universal, this type of latch. This is the one that just folds down and snaps. You can see obviously these ones are missing. This cooler was just given to me, and the story behind it, you can see these scratches over here, and there's actually a little hole. A bear, I guess, tried to get in here. I don't think that's who broke the latches. The latches just get old, and this is a pretty common problem on these Igloo coolers. But if you have an old cooler or some broken latches, it's a quick and easy way to swap these out. I did another video on replacing hinges on a cooler, replacing the plastic with stainless steel. It's a pretty common problem as well. In this case, I am upgrading to the all-weather stainless steel marine grade or marine version of this Igloo hinge. Comes with all the hardware and screws and everything you need. And this is super easy. It'll just take you a few minutes. But all you need is a phillips screwdriver, or you can use a drill with a number 2 Phillips bit. And it's as easy as just unscrewing these two right here. Take off this old broken piece. The nice thing, of course, is that this lines up perfectly with the holes that are already there. Now, when you screw this in, it's important that if you're using a drill like this, that you have the setting at a low torque. In this case, I have it at number 3, so it's not going to over tighten these. You know, keep in mind you're drilling into plastic. Just to replace this little part here, just 2 screws, pull it out. Just make sure that's lined up. Let's do the other one too. You can see the old fitting right there works, but I'm going to change it just because that plastic is probably getting brittle too. You can hear the clutch and the drill, you know, so you don't overdo it. And that's it. A quick and easy job. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up these same replacement latches as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.